Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In my today's session, I'll be discussing about job enlargement versus job enrichment. Job enlargement and job enrichment are both used techniques for employees' motivation and satisfaction. However, they differ a lot from each other. The critical difference is job enlargement is a horizontal expansion of duties and tasks, whereas the job enrichment is related to the vertical expansion of roles, responsibilities, authority, and activities along with the different hierarchical levels. Job enlargement is a technique used for motivating the semi skilled or unskilled workers and may be misinterpreted as work overload without a good hike in salary. Job enrichment is used for development and satisfaction of a skilled employee, which is usually taken as a reward of good work. A person, for example, who is hired to handle the reception work is responsible for handling customers' inquiries, queries, and calls on the front desk. She kept on doing the same work for a few years and got bored. She discussed this problem with the HR of the company who planned to implement job enlargement for making her job profile interesting. For more tasks were added to her job profile while interacting with clients and making outbound calls to create new customers for the company. These added tasks reduced her monotony. So, this is called job enlargement. Then comes job enrichment. A human resource executive was initially responsible for maintaining the employee's record and calling the candidates for the interviews as directed by the HR head. To add more value to the HR executive job profile, the manager gave him some authority related to the work already assigned to him. The new responsibilities, including providing the employee's provident fund, details to the accounts department, keeping contact with the provident fund office, and initial scrutiny of candidates for the interviews. Now the question arises that what is job enlargement? Job enlargement refers to the job design technique which integrate the various tasks performed at the same level horizontally to the employee's existing job duties. Let's have a highlight over the features of job enlargement. Job enlargement is a suitable technique for companies where a centralized organizational structure is followed and the number of employees is limited. To understand this concept in a better way, let us go through its features in details. Basically, the first feature is very important, that's horizontal expansion. In job enlargement, the number of tasks, responsibilities, and the duties are increased, which are at same level or similar to the existing job position. We have to redesign these strategies. Then we have to evaluate the performance by taking the feedback. It encourages the employees to give meaningful feedback on their performance and job profile. Then, fourthly, workforce flexibility. The scope of job responsibilities is widened and employees are motivated to be versatile in their work, thus initiating workforce flexibility. No additional skills are required. The employees are given tasks related to similar ones which are already performing. There is no special skill or training is necessary for that. Then comes basically job enrichment. Now the question is that what is job enrichment and how it differs from job enlargement? Job enrichment can be defined as a vertical restructuring of job, that is integration of tasks, roles, responsibilities and authority across different levels in an organization to add value to the employee's existing job profile. Let's have a discussion about the features of job enrichment. Job enrichment is a strategy which the organization uses to retain their employees and make them feel worthy. The following characteristics of job enrichment will help us to know more about it. Basically, the first feature of job enrichment is that it's the vertical expansion. Job enrichment adds on functions like decision making to the employee's job profile, which was earlier performed by the high level supervisors. Therefore, it is considered a vertical expansion of tasks. Self discipline. When the employees hold authority, responsibility, accountability of their work, they tend to maintain a self disciplined attitude and sincerity towards their role in an organization. Then it requires skilled employees. Job enrichment is a tactful strategy which is difficult to be implemented if the employees do not possess decision making and problem solving skills. So I must say these two skills are very important. Then you have to do the challenging jobs. Allowing the decision making authority to the employees makes their job more challenging and leads to employee empowerment and engagement. Then we have professional approach. Job enlargement inculcates professionalism in the working and the attitude of the employees by providing them with worthiness and recognition. There is a personal accountability. The employee is wholly and solely responsible for his work. His excellent work will be appreciated and the poor performance will be criticized. Authority and responsibility. As you know, authority and responsibility goes together. The employees get the liberty of taking decisions related to their work, and the employee is responsible for completing the given task in different situations and in different scenarios successfully. If I say, let's now summarize the above points of differences into the following way: that job enlargement is a combination of different tasks, whereas the job enrichment combines the activities across different hierarchical levels of the organization, along with the decision making, allocation, power, and authority. Job enlargement is a technique of job design, however, job enrichment is a management used function as a strategy normally devised by the organizations. Thirdly, when the former is used for reducing the boredom arising from routine work, the latter is done with the objective of making the jobs more challenging and more interesting for the employees. In job enlargement, the employees do not require any special skill, but in job enrichment, the employees must possess skills of decision making. Last but not the least, the former is a horizontal expansion of tasks across the same level of organization, and later is the vertical expansion of activities involving decision making along with the different levels of organizational hierarchy. That is all from my side. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.